When trying to remove those pesky bed bugs from your property with several heaters, it can be hard to find different outlets to use that don't share the same circuit breaker. What can be done to get power to all those heaters without tripping breakers over and over again? Is there a way to save some time? With AC Works brand adapters, you won't have to waste any more time with household outlets. We offer many different adapters to get power from other power sources located inside the home or apartment complex you're treating. You can easily get power from dryer outlets and range outlets to your heaters without tripping any breakers. Since these types of outlets have a higher current and 2 hot wires, you can power several fans, heaters, and dehumidifiers all at once. We offer compact and flexible adapters as well as extension cords with power distribution units. Don't need any adapters? Check out our high-quality extension cords with power indicators. If you have any further questions about power connection solutions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask us through a phone call, text, or email. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.